So I see it, but I'm about to put y'all on time lapse.
with my turn?
Nah.
It's been weird.
Fuck me straight. That's why your wheel is kind
Well, I might as well go and get it while you doing everything else.
let me see.
Just because I got them parts from another arrival, don't mean I can't take it to the one around the corner.
Yeah, you can still take it around the corner.
Okay.
I'm about to see what this part.
Because I have a discount code for arrival, that's why I'm asking.
Let's see.
Well, you can probably look up how much they run. Because while you already got it broke down, I might as well get everything I need for it.
Steering column.
Oh, this the old one?
It's big. They fucked you up, man.
Also, this the part where it's bending.
Then steering rack and pinion, I think you might need to go to the shop with that. Cause I think they gotta take your whole subframe off. Take it off. And they got a lift for it.
Oh, Jesus. For my car? Yes, sir. I had just called a few minutes ago. My name is Casey Thomas. I had called about a 2011 Cadillac SRX Premium. I'm gonna also need a steering rack of pinion. How much would that cost? A steering rack of pinion.
That shit big.
$459.
So I'm putting the sway bar link on there. rotor on. I mean, not the rotor, but the brake. Let me cut y'all back on. Putting the bolts on. And I gotta take this one out because I gotta put the other brake back on. Y'all see it? Let me cut y'all back on. Got everything all hooked up. Now I'm about to test drive it and see what it do.